Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. Today we will talk about how to measure the strength of PVC tarpaulin. Of course, as you know, strength is one of essential characteristics of PVC tarpaulin. Generally, there are three indicators to measure the strength of PVC tarpaulin. The first index is tensile strength, which is the maximum load that the material can bear without a fracture during tension divided by the original cross-sectional area of the material. The second indicator is tear stress, which is the force required to tear a thin sample. It is a term defined in the test method for determining the tear resistance of film or sheet. The last one is peel strength, which reflects the bond strength of the material. The peel strength determines the adhesive strength, the maximum force required to peel the bonded material per unit weight from the contact surface. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.